What if everything we see today was different? What if animals were not created the way they are now? What if their bodies were mixed, changed, or combined? Would they become better or lose something important? What if a lion had the body of a zebra? It may run faster, but it loses its strength. The king of the jungle now struggles to survive. What if an elephant had wings like a bird? It tries to fly, but keeps falling. Not everything that looks good works well together. What if a monkey had the body of a fish? It can swim, but can no longer climb. It loses its purpose and feels lost. What if a chicken had the wings of an eagle? It can fly, but still feels afraid because strength is not just in the wings. Changing the design doesn't always make it better. Sometimes it removes what was already perfect. That's why God made animals perfectly. Every detail has a purpose. And maybe we are created perfectly too.